Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data science projects with DataRobot detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize data science projects with DataRobot, start by setting clear objectives. Define the specific goals you want to achieve with your project. Gather your data, ensuring it is clean and well structured. Import your data into the DataRobot platform. Utilize DataRobot's automated data pre-processing features to prepare your dataset. Select the target variable that you want to predict. Explore the data to understand patterns and relationships. Use DataRobot's visualizations to identify important features. Experiment with different feature engineering techniques to enhance model performance. Once your data is ready, initiate the model training process. Choose an appropriate modeling approach based on your project goals. DataRobot will automatically generate multiple models for comparison. Review the performance metrics provided for each model. Select the best performing model based on these metrics. Fine-tune the selected model to improve accuracy and efficiency. Leverage DataRobot's collaborative features to share insights with your team. Deploy the finalized model directly to production within DataRobot. Monitor the model's performance post-deployment. Use the insights gained to iterate on your project and refine future models. Document the process and outcomes for future reference and learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.